another video for GeoDev Space, my YouTube channel, and today I'm just going to talk about a few projects that I've been working on. So recently I've been working on a few projects, meanwhile going through some personal life challenges. So one of the projects is Topics Archive, which I've been working on in the past. There is also a channel on YouTube called Topics Archive, and recently I've been covering the World Cup matches. I've been turning them into songs, and every match is a song. And also on the website you are also able to access that archive and see how that kind of came out, and then the videos for each match is on YouTube. So the Topics Archive project was a project that basically was created to convert long-form content into music, which is really a cool idea, especially for YouTube. And I think a lot of creators don't really see the value in that as yet, but I think it's something that's gonna catch on in the future, especially for creators that talk about interesting topics like mental health, workplace related stuff, even like health, food. Like there's so many different stuff that could be made into really beautiful music. So I've been doing the World Cup matches, turning each match into a song, which actually came out really nice. There's a lot of beautiful songs on it, and even the finals might be really something that might be an interest, really beautiful song also, because of the build up and everything. And then, I've been working on another project called Echoes of the Narcissist, which is a YouTube channel that I made to kind of talk about narcissistic abuse, and it was also supposed to be a channel about music. So each video kind of has like a background song, and I'm also going to be uploading music to that channel also. But that's a really new channel, and there isn't any subscribers or anything. So if some of you guys that are on this channel want to support that channel, you could. I know that this channel was really a channel that I developed when I was really young, and I used to talk about Hebrew Israelitism and other things that I don't necessarily talk about anymore, which I still believe in a lot of those things, and I still want to make content about those things. So I've been working on a lot of stuff, and I've been thinking about my subscribers. I have like 600 subscribers, and that's actually a lot of subscribers, but it's just that I haven't really been putting effort into growing my channel, and I want to come back and try to grow. Sometimes I think about my videos like they're not put together correctly, like I'm just sitting in my car, or I'm just sitting at my desk in my apartment, stuff like that, and like I want to make my videos like the best quality videos with everything, and like beautiful clothes, beautiful face, and that's really one of the things that has been kind of stopping me. I always wanted my videos to be perfect, but even back in the day when I used to make my videos about Hebrew Israelitism, those videos weren't even really good quality, but it was really the movement, I think that was really what caused that at the time to actually cause that initial spike where I grew my channel back like almost like 10 years ago or something to 500 subscribers when I was like just going into university and stuff like that, so it's like it really just shows if you're in like a niche, and if you're constantly showing effort and a love for what you're doing, so that's really what I want to do. I really want to come back and try to grow my channel and try to get subscribers and talk about different things and engage with the community and stuff. I know that a lot of those early subscribers are still there, and they would definitely want to see my channel grow. Recently I've been watching videos about motivation and growing your channel and kind of just doing something for yourself, which I've been doing a lot of, especially with my projects, which you guys have seen. I think there is a lot there, and even though like building a software is not like Israelitism or anything like that, it's like something more like simpler in terms of spirituality, maybe not, but like in terms of like it's just a software, so I think those things are really special, especially from where I came from, and my background. I think being able to build software and stuff is great, and I think a lot of people would still appreciate that kind of content talking about software and stuff, especially if they themselves would like to learn about building and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm still here. I'm still trying to grow my channel. I never gave up on this channel. I think one day when we look back, we're gonna see like, oh man, like we actually grew this thing to 1 million subscribers. Yeah, I believe in that. I believe that day will come one day, and yeah, I'm gonna be there to see it. So yeah, I've been working on that new channel which doesn't have any subscribers, called Echoes of the Narcissist. I've been working on Topics Archive, which has 100 subscribers, and it's really interesting. Like, people are really interested in music. They're interested in the kind of music I make. I make music about people's lives. Like, for example, there's a song about Martin Luther King, there's a song about Harriet Tubman, there's a song about Tupac Shakur, there's a song about Billie Holiday, there's a song about Albert Einstein, there's a song about almost every person that you might think of. So it's really a great project. You guys should check it out. And there's a song about Jesus Christ. There's a song about there's gonna be a lot more songs. So it's really a great channel. And then I've been also working on my other projects like FolderCopilot, which has actually been doing well. Like, I've had like almost 200 users sign up across the desktop, web app, the Chrome extension, and like different parts of the ecosystem for that project. It's really a great project. You're able to create folders from any kind of prompt that you create. Like, for example, you could ask to create a folder for anything, like even creating a new YouTube channel. You could get a folder structure for that. You could get a folder structure for almost anything. It's a really cool idea. For example, students use it to create folders for their syllabus. People use it for creating software repos to start a new software project. I also been working on OpenVerb, which OpenVerb is one of my more ambitious software projects. So OpenVerb is an open standard for AI actions. So basically, it is basically one of my best projects, I would say, and it has gotten like adoption to an extent. It has been launched on Product Hunt. I've also been posting on LinkedIn, and I try to post on Reddit and stuff to kind of documentation and stuff for it, like to get documentation out. Also on GitHub, and npm and Python. There's like different places that I've been trying to get information out for that project. OpenVerb is really a key project, and it's really inspirational, to be able to build something like that. And that's why I really want you guys to check out what I've been working on. I've also been working on Elevatr.dev, which is a professional experience tracking website for people in regulated professions that want to document their experiences at work and log their experience so that they don't fall victim to workplace abuse, the narcissistic abusive cycle in workplaces and stuff like that. So that's one of my favorite projects. It's my project that I think is really a key project in my entire life, and that project, I think, if I was able to ever be funded by any form of startup accelerator, even if it's not for Elevatr, I would find a way to support Elevatr and get Elevatr out to people so that they're able to use it and see that this software is good for them and it's something that society should use, you know. So those are some of my projects. There's also other projects that I've been working on, such as PaywallOS, which is another of my projects. PaywallOS is a platform that's built on OpenVerb. So OpenVerb is a software that allows you to define actions as verb schemas for your software application, such as AI actions, and then you're able to kind of trigger actions in your software using that system. So PaywallOS is able to map those actions to different payment tiers or user payment subscription tiers, and you're able to use that to build your paywalls instead of typing out logic into your software all over your software, and which kind of really helps you because you're really just building like a little kind of like a line of text on one side and a line of text on another side, and then you're just mapping those to different tiers, and that's it. You don't have to be building like an entire front end of like paywall logic or whatever. You know, it's really a cool project. That one I think is also a very ambitious project, and yeah. So I've been working on different software projects, and I think talking about them is great. You know, building in public and talking on YouTube about what I've been working on. It's great. So that's what I'm trying to do today, and I just want you guys to check out my videos, check out my channel, check out my software projects that I've been working on, and subscribe, you know, and basically comment, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about my projects. I'm going to be leaving all of the information in the description for the projects that I mentioned, and anyone that I didn't mention, I'm also going to leave a link in the description for you guys so that you guys could check out what I've been doing. And feel free to comment, feel free to check out what I've been working on, and if you're interested in building anything, you could also comment and let me know what you guys want to work on, and I could help you guys to build something together. You know, I'm pretty experienced in building. I've been building software for the past several years because of some interpersonal things that I went through. I was able to get into software building early through AI, and that's how I was able to build most of my software projects. So I hope you guys see what I worked on, and I hope you guys reach out and let's build together.